Jeremy Rack of Profit Dash, welcome back. Look, in my last video, I presented a high-ticket affiliate marketing uh, strategy. It's a business model. I want to show you that again, and then I want to show you what people have done with it and made a ton of money. And I want you to be the next success story for this. With this business model, people have made $15,000 in commissions in the last week. Now this was posted back on July 2nd, which was 11 days ago, being this is midnight when I'm doing this video, but $15,000 in commissions using this. Be the next success story. Get involved with this. Of course, I'm on Facebook here, if you can see it right there, Facebook. Because there is an inner circle group using their system to acquire these type of commissions. People are doing this on a daily basis. So I just wanted to make this quick video. Become the next success story. Check it out. And if you found value in this video, please click the link below, like my video, and subscribe so I can keep sending you these videos and other free content just like this that can really help you get an additional income on the side.